This is the DJI Neo, and it comes in a variety of packs, but which pack is the right pack for you? In this video, I hope I'm going to answer that question for you. The DJI Neo costs £170 just for the DJI Neo only, and you don't need any other accessories to fly it. You can also buy a 2 battery kit, and you can also buy the Fly More combo. The 2 battery kit costs £204, and the Fly More combo costs about £300. And in this video, I'm going to help you understand which pack is the right pack for you. Now, there's a definite reason you might want to get the combo kit, so stay tuned to the end of the video to find out what that reason is, and also to find out if I made a mistake not buying the combo kit. So to understand which Neo kit you should get, we need to understand a little bit about the Neo. So the Neo is designed that you can just pick it up and fly it, and you can fly it from the palm of your hand, and it's designed to capture things really quickly with the minimum of fuss. But you can also do a more conventional drone flight where you use a mobile phone or a remote control or even FPV goggles. So on the front of the Neo, we've got a series of lights and a button, and you can actually use those lights and buttons to fly the Neo and fly it from your hand, and the idea is the Neo is going to return to your hand. So you don't need to have a remote control, and you don't need to use your mobile phone. These are things you can also do if you want to. So which Neo is right for you? Well, to understand that, we need to talk about the type of Neo users there are. So first of all, there are people who already have drones. I am one of those people. I already have 2 drones. I have the DJI Mini 3 and the original DJI Mavic Mini. So the types of users for the DJI Neo are people who already have drones, new drone users who may want to get into drones, and new drone users who just want to capture things in an automatic way and shoot without fuss. So I purchased the Neo because I wanted a way to quickly get a shot or get a photo with the real minimum of fuss. Unfortunately, I find even with a mini drone, to get all the components out, link them together, turn things on, get a GPS signal and get launching, it takes minutes. With the DJI Neo, it actually takes seconds. You can be launched in about 15 seconds, I think. So for an occasional shot or an occasional piece of content, this is great. Now, I've already tried out the Neo and I found the video quality isn't great. And that's something we're going to pick up later. So as I'm going to use the DJI Neo occasionally, I opted not to get the combo kit or the kit with a spare battery, simply because I can't see myself on a trip out using the whole battery. I can't see myself using the controller, because if I was going to go to the effort to use the controller, I'd probably do it on one of my more serious drones. Now, for someone who might want to get into drone photography and this is their first drone, then I would certainly recommend getting the combo kit. And the reason for that is, while one battery is going to do a couple of flights, you're really going to want to do some quite extended flights and fly for maybe half an hour. Now, there's no way you can fly on a single battery for about half an hour. You can probably get a good 10 or 12 minutes on a single battery, and then you would need to recharge it. And don't get me wrong, you can recharge the Neo itself, but it's going to take a long time and it means you're not going to be flying. So if you are serious about drones, or you think you may be serious about drones after buying this, then get the combo kit. The other reason to get the combo kit is you get the controller. Now, with the controller, you can fly it with much more control. So yes, you can press the buttons here and you can do the quick shots and quick captures and things, but with the controller, you can actually fly it around. Now, you can do exactly the same with the mobile phone app, but you don't get the distance and range with the mobile phone app, and it is a bit limited. I don't think the mobile phone app or flying from the mobile phone app is great at all. So certainly with the mobile phone app, you can do a casual flight, but you're not going to be able to do any wonderful flying with this. If you just want to capture photos and videos without fuss, then I think just get the single Neo. There's no point getting anything more complicated, simply because if all you want to do is use this with the minimum of fuss, then setting up a controller, plugging your mobile phone in is a lot of fuss, and you're not going to do it. So if you just want to do it with no fuss, are you just going to press a couple of buttons, or are you going to set it all up? Of course, you're just going to press a couple of buttons, and so just get the unit itself. Now, if you want the best video quality from the DJI Neo, then you should get the combo kit, simply because you get the controller. So with the controller, you can change the exposure, the shutter speed, and you can also reduce the sharpening and the noise reduction. So if you want the best image and the best video quality out of the DJI Neo, you should get the combo kit. So if you are concerned about the quality of the video, maybe don't get the Neo maybe pay a little bit more and get a slightly more expensive drone, because the difference in video quality will be night and day between the Neo and a more expensive DJI drone. At the start of the video, I posed the question, do I have any regrets about not buying the combo kit? And I must admit, there's been times when I've been out flying the DJI Neo and I wish I had the controller. However, as I have 2 drones already, this really is a casual drone for getting the odd shot. If I did get the Fly More combo kit, then for most of the time, I wouldn't be using the extras you get with it. I think I would rarely use the extra batteries and I would rarely use the controller. So despite having some regrets about not being able to use the controller, I think I did make the right decision just getting the Neo only. If you're still watching, thank you very much. You might like this video.